What's up, guys? Monday morning, after a bit of a weekend of working, trying to push this car to get it done for Sunday. Sunday we've got a practice day or test day at Red Star to see how everything works. I need to get used to the sequential. I need to get used to the new front suspension and do a bit of setup before next weekend, which will be a full-on timed VR event. Please remember one thing: we are not professional spray painters, we are not professional machinists. Everything we do, we've basically taught ourselves, and always we will make some mistakes somewhere along the line, and we need to redo it and fix a few things here and there. Please, if you like what you see, go and subscribe. Let's do more of these videos, and I also want to do a bit more dedicated videos of some of the things we do here at the shop. Please hit that subscribe button. Let's get off to the build. Good morning, guys. Sunday morning. Myself and two of the guys are in this morning. We want to do the final prep work to get a car primed, so it can cure overnight, so we can do hopefully spray work tomorrow morning. Got a few things done yesterday. One of the main things was the brace at the bottom to mount the radiator, and then also the brake brackets for the oil cooler. I made an aluminium valance for everything to bolt to. The pieces that was left was very flimsy, and so we decided to make aluminium pieces. I can weld aluminium. I'm not a best aluminium welder on planet Earth, but I can get two pieces of metal to stick to each other. It doesn't always look pretty, but it does work. So yeah, so that's done as well. Nice flat top surface. I still need to do a few holes to mount the grill. Yeah, I'll put the radiators in quickly and just to show you what we've been doing and my thoughts processes. On one of my previous videos I was talking about dropping the radiator down further into the cradle. We talk about 100 millimeters further down, which once again brings all the weight further down towards the floor. Second thing is we've done is move the oil cooler next to the radiator. Previously it was sitting roughly around about here on the cradle, with the valance right behind it, so it didn't have proper airflow going through it. So now we have a nice cooling pack system going. No second-hand air going to the radiator, or no second-hand air going to the cooler. We're still going to make quite a few of cladding to help guide the air where it needs to be. Bear in mind, my radiator grill sits here, not there. So we're going to guide a lot more air into the correct places. Yeah, the cooling system is very important for us. Last thing I want is to do doing a flying lap, and halfway through the lap I need to slow down to do a cool down lap. I've never had cooling issues, but there's always place for improvements in my opinion. So yeah, we still need to do a few more holes to cover up. I want all the air all the available air that we have must go through the radiators and cool as much as we can. Yeah, the guys are this morning going to start prepping, and then hopefully this afternoon we'll have some primer on the car. I unfortunately can't work with them today, so I'm very thankful for the motivation and the dedication my guys give me. They said they will push through and get at least primer done by the end of the day. Yeah, let's see how far they get. So my guys are ready for action, and they think I'm talking a lot of nonsense, but thank you guys. I appreciate everything you guys do for me. So the Caddy has moved off its place for the last few weeks, and because we had cars parked in the shop over the weekend, we didn't want everything full of overspray, so we made a small little spray booth with drapes. One thing we didn't think about ventilation. So after Chandra did the first set of primers, basically you could not see anymore. So this thing was so full of paint hanging in the air. But yeah, anyway, so primer's on. Because he couldn't see, he missed 1 or 2 small spots, but it's not really his fault. But we're gonna do a few touch-ups here and there. I am gonna do a bit of filler here and there just so it looks a little bit better where we did a lot of welding. But overall I'm very happy with the result, and we're gonna push. We need to start assembly on a Wednesday. So yeah, let's see how far we. So after the first coat of primer, Shiv sanded down a bit of the paint. He also, we did a few touch-ups here and there, and we did a second coat of primer. So tomorrow morning he's just going to do a quick sand down, and we're going to go white paint on top of this. So yeah, looking good, and can't wait to have a final result.